How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can actually factory reset your Xbox 360. Now, there's multiple ways to do this. Basically, we could factory reset our storage, we could factory reset our users, and many more. And the way that you could just reset everything back to normal is to simply head over to the actual storage devices, which is going to be this one. And then right after, you can then click on the hard drive right here. And then after selecting it, you can then go ahead and choose between clear system cache, format, and transfer content. You want to make sure that you choose the clear system cache, and right after you could also format it. So in that way, you will basically delete everything on the installed storage. And on the same setting, there's also going to be the reset to default settings right here. So you could just simply click on it, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.